All right, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom! Happy New Year! Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my God, that's not a regular Snap-on, is it? Oh no. All right. Anyway, so here we go, folks. This is the carbon fiber RAMJAM Racing chassis. I've done a few modifications. I think I'm gonna go on the books as maybe the first belt-driven 3.0 chassis. I don't know. It could be. It could be. Anyway, enough about me. I just wanted to thank Mr. Ryan Ramirez at RAMJAM for always helping me with parts. I wanted a big shout to Manuel Longoria for helping me out and steering me in the right direction with the pulleys and the belts. Kenny Soto, great information. You steered me also in the right direction. Appreciate that. And who else? I'm sure there's others I haven't mentioned that helped me out. This wheelie bar. Miles Scarborough. Yes, yes. Anyway, this thing hopefully is going to be a badass little dragster. I can't wait to fire it up. Hopefully by the weekend we'll have this bitch rolling. It's really something else. It came out beyond my expectations. Badass!